limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hats and caps unboxings. We're gonna get straight into it. It's presented by Famous Thinking. You can get hats like these and much more. A lot of ultra rare stuff you will not find anywhere on the web. Hats.famousthinking.com, sneakers.famousthinking.com, shop.famousthinking.com. There it is. New Japan Pro Wrestling. Founded in 1972. New Japan Pro Wrestling is Japan's premier wrestling league, equivalent to WWE in America. A lot of top wrestlers have came out of Japan, have wrestled in Japan than anywhere else, and or coming from Japan to America or America to Japan back to America. Let's do a little bit of a close-up here. There it is, King of Sports, New Japan Pro Wrestling. It's a fitted right here. Let's go down to there. King of Sports, New Japan Pro Wrestling, and New Japan Pro Wrestling. Absolute beauties. We're going to do some detailed shots of these caps. Shinsuke Nakamura, the Jacksons, Nick Jackson, Kenny Omega. I mean, I'm giving you the obvious. All you wrestling fans, I'm giving you the obvious run. I mean, who else? Christopher Daniels, AJ Styles, Bullet Club, which is consisted of many different people. So, Jay White, it's a prominent name as well. A little bit of an up-close look at these hats. I would say from rare to ultra, or from basic, average to ultra rare. These are probably in the ultra rare category. Let's take a look at detail of New Japan Pro Wrestling fitted and snapback hats. Up-close shots. There it is, 50th anniversary. It's a side patcher. King of Sports. Strum that old banjo. Another 50th anniversary, as you see there. King of Sports, New Japan Pro Wrestling. There is a difference in color between these two different hats. This one's more of a bright colors. It's not really that yellow. It's like a lime green. It's not picking it up. And this one is more of a dull. That's picking up pretty nicely. But that's more, as you can see. You can see a little bit of the difference there. Different shades of blue and yellow. Beauties. And this is the fitted. Very rare to find the fitteds more than anything else for wrestling hats. You see a lot of snapbacks, but you do not see the fitteds, and that includes WWE. Side shots. The 50th anniversary. Snapback, where it is. This fitted has NJPW, New Japan Pro Wrestling. Side shot. White New Era logos, and you have the gold New Era on the fitted, which matches the logo. What's going on with the UV? Black matches the rest of the cap color. Snapback cap, 50th anniversary. And we got a medium large. We're working with that medium large, and a snapback indicates that will fit a size 8 head, so big domes included, which is nice. The fitted 7.5 that's copyright NJPW, New Japan Pro Wrestling, 59.50. I'm assuming this is polyester. There is no material tag on here, which does tend to happen a lot on foreign hats. What do you think of these bad boys? Remember, Famous Thinking got the goods. Hats.famousthinking.com, sneakers.famousthinking.com, shop.famousthinking.com, free shipping USA, shipping worldwide. You can get NJPW hats there, and very limited run. So, what do you think of these caps? Like it or love it, hate it or dislike it. I think if you're a wrestling fan, you're going to enjoy anything wrestling related, especially via New Era. It is not, it's rare era, as they say, for fitted new era hats, snapbacks in general, outside of sports teams. It's not common to find items like this per se. Some are general release type things, outside of sports, but these are definitely not. I'd say limited runs. Thank you for watching, and we will catch you on the next one. Subscribe if you enjoy this type of content and rare hats and more. See you later, people.